Ni mbere ya kamite ya bunge igikigina kuria ministry ya kigina itaririe maundu matiganite megemaini na kigina kia bururi. Riu ministry no igitikaniria na kuremererwo kwayo hari ungania wa muigana uria weranirwo wa magoti. Kuringana na mwandiki MUKARU ministry ya kigina Dagitari KIPTOO, rũhonge rwa ũngania wa magoti rwa KRA rũtikũhota kũngania mũigana wa ciringi birioni MATATU harĩ magoti marĩa rweranĩire kũngania, ũndũ ũyũ ũgĩtanya kũhutia imwe cia tabarĩra cia thirikari iria ciaranĩirwo.
The biggest issue now we have is that we don't have enough revenues to finance our budget, and debt is the biggest problem. 28 to 30% of our what we collect from KRA is used to pay interest payment of our debt, because I think we were stretching too high, and in order to avoid also creating more budget deficit, you have seen the expenditure has also shrunk by about 200 billion, again to make sure that we are consistent.
Kuringana na KIPTOO, riu muigana wa kigina kiria thirikari itanyite kuyuririria hari budget kiongererekete nginyagia ciringi birioni 908 hari mwaka turi wa kigina. Riu thirikari ikirongoreria kungania magoti makiria handu hakwe ya ngombo.
Debt is becoming a problem. Last week, I remember we paid 60 billion on Monday. Yesterday we paid 40 billion. In 1 week, 100 billion. 100 billion can do so much. It is just time to slow, and I'm really beseeching you members, if you can drive the finance bill to generate enough to finance our budget, I think we will be doing very well.
KIPTOO riu niendekithitie KRA thukirwo ciringi birioni 10 makiria kwitukira budget ya nyongerera ya keri cia gukinyaniria ungania wa magoti kuma kuri muingi. Riu akiuga ino no njira huthu ya kwaura bururi murigo wa mathiri, uguo akenya magitigwo matari na wiki tiga kwaga thaicoka na kwihokeka hari urihi wa magoti.
Yes, we have a revenue gap and we are doing a lot. That's why we gave 10 billion to KRA. We are through this supplementary, it's going to be 7 billion, 7.4 billion. We need to do more to support KRA so that it can collect money.
Kuringana na muikariri giti wa kamite ino Kuria Kimani, kubatarikana kwa magoti maya nikuo kuracungiriria kwendekithio kwa magoti meru makiria kuhitukira mutaratara wa kigina wa mwaka wa 2024.
Because we need it to go through, because if you have to generate this revenue, especially the non-tax revenue, where that money is going, is very, very, very crucial. And we stand the risk of collecting all this money, but it's going to people, not going to government. And also, most importantly, the goodwill of Kenyans. We need to assure them that this citizen is owned by us, this is our money.
Ningi kamite no nihoete kugia na uhuthiri mukinyaniru wa magoti maria monganio kuona uhuthiri moru wa monota kuna Kenya guoko.
Even when you're doing public participation, when you start public participation on a finance bill, and ongoing public participation is also happening on the budget. And the comments on the budget is we need to add more on the budget. Like even National Treasury is coming and say these are the unfunded areas. But when it comes to a conversation about you want this money, but where will the money come from? That is a difficult conversation Kenyans don't want to have.
Adunia kama TV letu na koni bataru wa mwagi.